Happy Emancipation, Jamaica. Happy Emancipation. Welcome, welcome.
Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Now back to ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, cause none of them can stop the time. Allah shall kill our prophet.
Alright, so today, August 1st, 2018, is a day to be celebrated by Jamaicans at home and abroad. So big up every Jamaican at home and abroad. Alright, today is our Emancipation Day. Looking back in celebration. Now I'm going to do a special piece handwritten by myself, SouFLoTV. Enjoy. Slave master, blood will have to run like a river. Slave master, blood will have to run like a river. Following in the footsteps of my great ancestors before me, possessed by the rebellious spirits of Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Hail, His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. Get up, stand up and fight for your rights, are the words of Robert Nesta Marley. I am a conqueror, don't let these fools fool you. I am a warrior, like my father, the great Shaka Zulu. Give me my reparations so I can go forward with this repatriation. Give me my reparations so I can go forward with this repatriation. Back to Africa, back to my own land, back to where I was stolen from. Slave master, blood will have to run like a river. For my freedom, blood will have to run, run, like a river. Hail His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. Get up, stand up and fight for your rights, are the words of Robert Nesta Marley. You are a conqueror, I am a conqueror. Don't let these fools fool you. I am a warrior, like my father, the great Shaka Zulu. Yeah. Alright, so it is in these times, I hope you enjoyed that piece. Okay, so it is in these times that we look back and we reflect and we think and we ask questions like, were we better before emancipation than we are now? There's nowhere better on earth to me than that beautiful country, that island called Jamaica, right? And today on SouFLoTV, as we celebrate Emancipation Day, and we still look back and think how many of our people are still enslaved, not physically, but mentally and spiritually. We still fight for the emancipation of our people, for the shackles to be removed from the minds, and for the people to be truly free. Hail all our heroes. Alright? Big up on yourself, man, every Jamaican worldwide. Today, Emancipation Day. And like the great Bob Marley said, emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Boy, have no fear for atomic energy, cause none of them can stop the time. Bless up.